section 10, return types. This section is quite easy, so no need to explain so many things on PowerPoint or such things. Let's jump to Visual Studio. As you can see here, all of my action methods returns a string, which is silly. Previously, I just created them to show you something. But now, if we want to make things real, returning a string all the time is meaningless. So, what should I do? Let me start by this getCarById. This method is supposed to return just one car after searching, but I'm just returning just one car with ID and then concat the ID. That's all. It should work in a real scenario. To have something like a real scenario, I need something like this. At first, what is this? I need data, so I created a list of cars and just did some kind of hard coding to have just four record, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, Nissan, BMW, Benz, Kia, color, the country that they produce, price, capacity. You are familiar with capacity already. That's all. So now I would be able to filter the data based on the ID. Let's see. Let me paste piece of code and remove this guy. Okay. So now I filtered the list of cars by an ID. Is that complete? Finish? I can say yes. So there is no problem. There is. See? I filtered the list of cars based on ID and returned just one car. So far, not bad. Let me run it and see. For car number 1, for a car with ID 1, it works fine. But I have just four valid ID. If I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom. Why? Because I didn't handle anything. So it gives me an exception like this. Everything is so upsetting now. So I need to add some lines of code to handle these things also. These are the changes that I have to make. First of all, I should check if this object is not null. If it is null, I have to return not found. This not found would be handled by Visual Studio, by the compiler. It returns a valid code, as any developer is expecting something like this. Then I change the car to iAction result, and then if everything was fine, I do return OK car. So now I can comment this out or remove it. This would be my new getCarById. Is that enough? Yeah, but since there is always an idiot to screw or your code, I would suggest you to handle this also. If id is less than 0 or even 0, return bad request, like this. So now if they enter something less than 1, it automatically shows you bad request. Instead of first, I have used first or default, and then if the car value was null, it returns not found. If everything was fine, I will return OK with this object, plus I change the return type to I action result. Question. For the rest of the action methods, can I do the same? Yes, why not? See? Okay, cars. All the cars. Like this. If I had any post method, for example, again, I can do the same. The result can be I action result, and then I can return OK, not found, bad request, whatever. During the course, you will see, even here, I can say I action result, and for time being, OK, like this. But as I said, during the course, everything would be more realistic. Then you will see how you can return custom types, and everything can be more in control for you. That's all. Just being familiar with return types is enough for time being. Slowly, we're gonna extend everything to have better and cleaner code for real scenarios. Thank you so much.